Hello members, once again you are welcome. Today's session we are just going to look at how to explore our data, what is in our data and how can we visually see it or do some simple analysis. So I will be breaking down these ones so that we can follow along. So with our R Studio open, you remember we have already set the working directory, we had already loaded the data, so the next step now is to do some simple analysis. So what do we start with? Maybe some descriptive statistics. Let's try something out and we, for example, say, this one, we are labeling our section. So let's doing some descriptive statistics. So we are just going to do some descriptive statistics. For example, how many males are in this category, how many females are in this data, how many students are doing this course. You know our data very well. So to do this, it depends on what you want to do, but I want you to do something, a package which is user-friendly and it gives a lot of information concerning descriptive statistics. And this package is called library lessR. Like you can see lessR, it is already suggested. And you can see what it does that says less code and more results, meaning you do little coding, but you get more results. So we do this, and once you put this, you activate by putting the cursor and running it. So once you run, it should bring the last thing up here as internet. That's when you know it is active. So I want to start with something basic, like a bar chart of something. So when you come back to our data here, we need to know what we are trying to find out. We need, for example, let's start with gender. This is a code for gender. You see male and female. We need to know how many males and how many females are there. That's the best question you can ask yourself. So let's create a bar chart of gender. So we do this bar chart. The moment you start putting bar chart, it has a bar chart function already in lessR. You click OK, and then you start. What do we want to plot? You need to know the code here. So the code is lessGen. So we are saying lessGen. You type it the way it is, put a comma, and then we are saying, where is this variable found? It is in a data set called data is equal to, and you see it is the data of the bar chart function. So we click here and our data is called responses. The moment you start typing, automatically it comes and it will highlight for you the variables that are there. So I place this and I run and get the output like this, as simple as right.